Good morning, everybody. My name is Tejasvi. I'm in second class. My school name is Pavitra International School. Today, I'm going to present the activity of 3.1 PEP activity. Look before you leap. In the first picture, the lion is ready to jump into the pond without thinking. In the second picture, the lion is not in a hurry to jump into the pond. It takes time to think about the whether it should jump or not. Similarly, I also come across this situations in my daily life. When we go for a swim to the swimming pool, I will not directly jump into the pool because I think of my safety first. Without my safety tube, I might be drowned or it can be deeper than my height. Similarly, I will not touch any hot dishes in the kitchen because it might be hot and hurt or burnt my hand. The moral of the story is think twice before doing anything. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Manvi. My school name is Pavitra International School. I am in grade 2. I am going to tell you about an activity from chapter Look Before You Leap. The name of the activity is Think Before We Act. One day, my one friend came to my house and suddenly she broke my pencil. What should I do now? I should shout at my friend, I should break my friend's pencil, or I should take a deep breath and I will tell my friend that it is fine. Okay, I will tell my friend that I will take a deep breath and I will tell my friend that it is fine. My parents only allow me to play after only studying. I should scream and shout at my parents. I should think about it and I understand that they both are important, or I should run out for play without studying. I should think about it and I understand that they both are important. Thank you.
Hi, good morning. I am Adrit. My school name is Pavitra International School. I am from 2nd Standard Soldiers Group. Today I am representing activity 3.6 Look Around. Here ask, think of an action. Act it out for me and my partner now. Let him guess which action I am doing now. For example, here you can see what she is doing. Ria is reading. Let us check. It is formed as Ria. Noun plus is helping verb plus lead verb ending with ing. Guess this. What is this? Here the bird. Guess this. What is this? The eating. Here are more examples. Talk plus walk plus ing walking. Clean plus ing cleaning. Sleep plus ing sleeping. Climb plus ing climbing. We use ing with the original form of the action word. This is used to describe an action that is still going on at this moment. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Ritik and I'm from class. I'm staying in Pavitra International School. and the lesson name is Look Before You Leap. In Look Before You Leap, I am going to tell 3.10 PEP activity. This activity is naming words. Everything in this world has a name. All the names are called naming words. Names help us to identify people, places, things, and animals. Naming words are called nouns. Boy, girl, man, Radha, Ravi are names of people. House, garden, city, India are names of places. Cup, table, cap are names of things. Elephant, tiger, cow, dog are names of animals. Naming words can help us identify male and female. Radha is a girl. Ravi is a boy. I have some examples. Boy, girl, man, woman, father and son, mother and daughter, grandfather, grandmother, king, queen. In animals also there are male and female. Bull is a male, cow is a female, lion is a male, lioness is a female, rooster is a male, chicken is a female, tiger is a male, tigress is a female. Thank you.
Hi everybody, my name is Mo. I am studying second class in Pavitra International School. Today I am discussing about present project create in Companion. The project is about present continuous tense. So I will discuss present continuous tense and few people who will help me in my daily activities. And I will give an example of present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is it identifies that we are doing now. Action word plus ing makes present continuous tense. For an example, learn plus ing, learning. Play plus ing, playing. And few people who will help me in my daily activities. First, my mother. My mother is helping me with my class activity. Second, my grandmother. My grandmother is cooking now. Third, my grandfather. My grandfather is practicing stick fight. Thank you.